So some time ago, OnePlus, Realme, iQOO and other brands have launched their own mid-range models with better texture and better specification, trying to take away the identity of Redmi with the launch of the new phones. I believe that Redmi wants to will the door shut again and bring a more flagship experience to more users. The biggest improvement is definitely the chip. It is equipped with second generation Snapdragon 7 Plus mobile platform. Compared with other models of the Note 12 series, the performance of these chips is not a little bit better, so directly upgraded from mid-range chips to the level of flagship chips. The screen frame of the phone is very narrow and the bottom frame is 2.22 mm while the side frame is only 1.42 mm, bringing a very shocking visual whatever it is playing games or watching videos. The 6.67 inches screen of Redmi Note 12 Turbo presents better effect than previous Redmi phones. In addition to a high screen to body ratio, the overall quality of the screen also has an advantage. In the same level of product, it supports 12-bit color display and a screen supports 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, which can present more luster colors. The screen has 1000 nits brightness, support 120 Hz refresh rate, and can realize 16000 level automatic brightness adjustment, which brings better display effect to user in daily use. Redmi Note 12 Turbo continues the trend of small vertical edge. The body is also very light and thin with a thickness of only 7.9 mm or weight of 181 grams. It feels good in the hands after removing the screen breaker. The slimness of the body is highly visual. This phone also retains the 3.5 mm headphone jack and a sport and free remote control and multi-function NFC, which bring more convenience in the use. Not long ago, Qualcomm officially launched the second generation Snapdragon 7 Plus mobile platform. This new mid to high-end platform was jointly defined by Redmi and Qualcomm. This mobile platform is of the same origin as the Snapdragon 8 Plus with a flagship experience. In terms of performance testing, the final score of the intuitive performance test of the mobile phone was 973116 points. Redmi Note 12 Turbo is equipped with 5000 mAh battery. The battery supports 67W fast charging. It takes 47 minutes to fully charge after the actual measurement. If it is in a low power state and needs to be recharged quickly, the Redmi Note 12 Turbo can charge 57% in 50 minutes. So in terms of imagine, the Redmi Note 12 Turbo is equipped with real 3 camera lens, of which the main camera is 64 million pixel and support OIS optical image stabilization. The other two lenses are in an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel micro lens. The main camera generates 1.4 m large pixel through the Pixel 4 in 1 technology so as to achieve more light input per pixel, improve the brightness and image quality of the picture, and have a good photo performance. So as a mobile phone price at 2,000 yuan in terms of performance, Redmi Note 12 Turbo directly catch up with the flagship mobile phone of the Snapdragon 8 series and has a better game performance, battery life and camera comparison experience also remarkable. In the price range of 2k yuan, it has a certain adventure under the flagship gear. Redmi Note 12 Turbo is the mobile phone worth recommending. So see you next time. Take care.